see this? Hi guys, so we are in the neighborhood in our area. We're at the beach. We're in our area, we're at the beach, but we went to the pools. The beach is right there. It's like literally 3-minute walk. It's like a 3-minute walk to the beach, but nah. So we're just sitting. The kids are swimming and hubby is watching them. Landa and me are just nah. Yeah, anyway, yeah. Happy New Year, by the way. Happy New Year, and welcome to a new vlog, the first one for 2023. Welcome. It's my babies. Happy New Year, guys. Hello guys, hi, and happy Wednesday morning. We'll take these things off. Happy Wednesday morning. It is a beautiful, very hot morning in Durban, but nonetheless I'm not complaining. I just come back from the gym, and I'm hoping I did introduce this vlog on Sunday. If I didn't, let me do it now. My name is Charlotte Ngonelo, and welcome to my channel. It's all about me. It's all about my family, lifestyle, everything I get up to, you see it. I hope everybody's having a wonderful time, a wonderful January, a wonderful 2023. If you're new, welcome my honeys, welcome everybody, because it may not be only women. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so very much, so very much. I pray that we all have a wonderful day today. I just come back from the gym and I'm rushing to watch House of Zwide. I'll see you guys later. Good morning, and happy Thursday morning. I just finished training back and shoulders, and I know I left you guys hanging yesterday. Came back from gym and I said I'll continue. Well, I didn't. There was nothing to capture. I just finished my workout, which was an hour and 10 minute session, and I burnt 325 calories. I'm gonna go have a shower and read the Bible and catch up on some of my soapies, and then see what else I can do. I have nothing really planned. I need to work on my plan for this year, for my business, how I'm going to do my classes, because I've got another school added on to the existing one that I have. So it means more learners, more days of work than off. So I need to work out a plan on how I'm going to see my current school and the new school and also juggle the kids and their extracurricular activities and so forth, picking them up. I need to just work that out. I know I cannot work it out today since I don't have their timetable from school, since schools are not open yet, but I'm gonna do what I can do for today. But for now, let me go and take a shower. See you later. Good morning, my beautiful people, and happy Friday morning. I've just come from the gym and I am now at another mall to redeem a voucher that I received. I'm doing another, I don't know what to call it. It's a food review, but I've got a collaboration with Melrose. So I'm here to redeem the voucher so I can purchase the products I need for there's a word for it, I'll find it. I'm going inside and quick, and then I'm going to go back home. Let me show you guys. It is raining. It's raining and I'm about to go out. I don't mind the rain though. You don't mind the rain. I'd rather have the rain than have the sun. I'll see you inside. I'm gonna be quick in and out. I'm back. Told you guys I'll be in and out. Going home now. Let's go. Jesus, please protect me as I go back home. In your name, Lord, I pray. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Thank you. God is so good, guys. I am so happy. Don't mind my skin. God is so good. So I came back from Checkers to redeem that voucher, and I received a DM from Discam, and I won an air fryer. My goodness, I'm so happy. And then a few minutes after that, I received another DM. I just won myself Under Armour sneakers worth 3.5. I'm so happy, guys. I just had to share with you guys. I think that's the highlight of my day. So happy. Bye. Happy Saturday, my beautiful friends. I hope you all are good. It's Saturday morning. It's 9:08 in the morning. And yes, I'm a passenger today. hubby is going to be driving. He's just getting something from his work car, and we are just off to do a couple of things. It is an overcast day, and I'm loving that. Okay, he's back now. There he is. So we're just going to, okay, let me tell you this first. My husband, I don't know what to call him, an ancient guy or what, but he's just not into smartphones. He's not into a proper phone, okay? The phone that he was using was a hand-me-down from me, okay? It's an old Huawei that I was using that he had bought for me, and he took that phone when he could have actually bought himself a brand new phone. So that phone has given up and it's dead. It doesn't want to switch on. Even if you put it in the charger, it won't switch on. So he's forced to buy a new phone, and he's still reluctant to buy a proper phone, you know, like the phone that I'm using. So we're going to go look for a phone that is functional, guys. A phone that he can use, a phone that he can use. I'm just going to leave it there, and then see what else we need to do. I think we do have a couple of other things that we need to go and check or purchase, and then I think we'll go back home. We left the kids at home, and the first thing my son did as we were leaving, he woke up and he was reminding us to buy nice stuff for dinner. My husband apparently promised them to have that they will have nice supper, and by nice supper they mean burgers, homemade burgers. That's nice supper for them. So they were reminding us that please don't forget to buy ingredients for the nice supper. So baby, you need to remember to buy those ingredients for the nice supper, which I'm going to make. Guys, I will see you when we get to the mall. I forgot to say, that was hubby. He's just going to inquire. We're at our eldest son's new school. He's starting high school this year, so he's just finding out if they're open so that we can purchase uniform, and then we'll go to the mall. But if they're open now, we're going to be buying him uniform. Or maybe not now. We'll go back home, we'll go to the mall and just call our son to just let him know that he must get ready, wake up and get ready, so we come back with him so he can fit on the clothes, the school uniform. I think they're open. Those guys seem to be showing hubby inside. Yeah, so I think they're open. It'll be good. Just get the whole uniform thing over and done with, because on Monday I am going to be going and doing some groceries and buying their school stationery, both the two who are in primary school and our son who's now starting high school, and then also buy school stationery. Did I say it's buy school stationery? There's something I'm forgetting. I want to do everything on Monday because on Tuesday I've got a nail appointment. My sister and I are getting our nails did, and then we have a sister's date with both my sisters to watch, and we're going to watch Avatar. I haven't watched Avatar. My other sister hasn't watched Avatar, but our other sister says she doesn't mind watching it again because apparently it was that good. So we're gonna go do our nails on Tuesday and then go and watch a movie. So I don't want anything other than watching the movie and doing our nails on Tuesdays. I want to finish everything on Monday, though I am going to make sure I go to the gym. I still want to exercise. I'm going to go to the gym on Monday, and yeah. Oh, another thing, guys, FYI, since hubby's still there, I started my, can I call it my weight loss journey? I've done my reset. I'm doing my keto reset because, girl, I have been cheating, like proper cheating, and I've been kicked out of ketosis a long time ago. So I'm going back. So on the 3rd of January I actually started my keto reset where I am eating very few carbs, like between 20 to 30 grams of carbs per day, or none at all. It hasn't been easy. It hasn't been easy. But I've woken up today. I feel fine. I don't have a headache. But on my page, on my Facebook page, I actually have a Facebook page there. I'm coaching other ladies. I started officially with my reset on the 5th of January, but the real reset started on the 3rd of Jan. So I am today, because I don't know why I didn't do it on the 3rd. I was doing my measurements this morning after I had finished showering. I did my measurements, and I will then go back on the 5th of Feb and do a comparison. I will weigh myself, but I just usually do measurements because those centimeters, they do count. Because sometimes if you rely on the scale only, you may be disappointed. Disappointed as in, since I'm going to gym, I will lose my water mass and also gain muscle, and then find that there's no difference. Whereas if you do measurements, you will see you've lost inches. You know what I mean? So I'm going to weigh myself, but I am also going to do measurements. I rely more on the measurements rather than rely solely on the scale. So I'm doing that as well. I will be informing you guys of my changes, of what I'm going through, what's happening with me, my good and bad days. But yeah, that's what's happening. I haven't reached that point, because when you do a reset on keto, I find, this is me personally, after like a week or so, when my body is now getting used to being on keto, and you've lost water on your body, I find that I'm not strong. I lose strength. Like when I'm at the gym, I find that my usual weights that I lift on a regular basis become heavy, or I can't handle them. I'm weak for like a week or so, and then after that, I've got energy. I am just energized. So I haven't reached that point where I'm at the gym and I'm feeling like, why am I unable to pick up these weights? Why am I finishing my workout so early, type of thing? I haven't reached that, but I'm thinking maybe mid next week I will find myself going through that. Anyway, I don't want to bore you. Just waiting for hubby to come. I will see you guys when we are at the mall. Ciao. I just realized I forgot to wear my wedding ring, guys. Man.
그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니. 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여. 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아. 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 Say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ING just ING 내 맘은 아직 ING 좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 걸 너의 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 잉잉
Hey guys, so hubby has gone in. So he went in at Clicks. That Clicks, yeah. The stuff we couldn't get at the other mall. So we ended up buying a Huawei, guys. But it's a lovely Huawei. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's better than the one he was carrying. So waiting for him to come back. Haven't had food. Haven't had anything to drink, to eat. And it's 1:30. So I'm gonna get home and make myself bulletproof coffee. It's hot though. Or I make myself iced coffee, but a bulletproof one. And yeah, the kids have got food. They made food for themselves. Oh, I did buy myself a low carb meal to eat from Woolworths. So I'm gonna have that when I get home, and I'll show you guys my go-to low carb meal. Yeah, just waiting for hubby. I'll see you at home. As we're back at home, I just wanted to share this. This is my keto stuff. It's not everything, but it's what I buy. I want to make myself brownies and have something without guilt. And this is bread. It's white bread. It's keto bread. It's made with almond flour. And this is brown. It has flax seeds, gluten, and it has 1 gram. A slice is 1 gram of carbs. And I bought Revive. And to eat now, to break fast, I bought myself from Woolies this chicken and hummus booster bowl. So when I have this, it has broccoli, has potatoes, it has chicken, and I think the hummus, it's somewhere in there. This, it's for later. It's some of the things I'm going to use later when I'm making their burgers. Yeah, I haven't packed them away. But when they are having rolls, I'm actually going to have from this side. So I'm having a healthy meal. So I'll see you guys later. I'm going to go enjoy my food now. So guys, it is Saturday. Let me say my goodbyes. I will see you guys on the new one. Thank you so much for hanging with me, spending time with me. Saturday, I have to post this vlog, so thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.